Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
And today, we're going to talk about Dimenhydrinate. Have you ever felt nauseous and dizzy on a car or boat trip? Don't worry, Dimenhydrinate can help you feel better. So what is Dimenhydrinate? It's an antihistamine used to relieve nausea, vomiting, and dizziness. How does it work? It blocks signals in the brain that cause those annoying feelings. It's like telling your nervous system, calm down. So how do you take it? The dose for adults is usually between 50 and 100 milligrams every 4 to 6 hours, but don't take more than 400 milligrams a day. For children, the dose depends on their age, so it's best to talk to your doctor. Remember, like all medications, Dimenhydrinate can have some side effects. The most common ones are drowsiness, dry mouth, or a little dizziness. So if you take it, don't drive or operate heavy machinery. And remember, no alcohol. In short, Dimenhydrinate is a good remedy for nausea, vomiting, and dizziness, but use it responsibly and follow your doctor's instruction. If you have any questions or notice any side effects, don't hesitate to talk to a healthcare professional. I hope this video was helpful. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.